If you've forgotten your WordPress username or password, you can retrieve or reset them through cPanel. Here's how to find or reset your WordPress username and password via cPanel. Access cPanel. Log into your hosting provider's cPanel. Typically, you can access it by going to yourdomain.com/cPanel or through your hosting provider's dashboard. Find the WordPress database. In the Databases section, click on PHPMyAdmin. In PHPMyAdmin, select the database that's associated with your WordPress site from the list on the left. If you're unsure which database is being used, check the wp-config.php file in your WordPress directory via cPanel's File Manager. Find your username. Inside the database, look for a table named WP Users. Click on WP Users to open it. Here, you will see a list of users and their usernames. Find your account and note the user login field for the correct username. Reset your password. In the WP Users table, find your username and click Edit. In the User Pass field, select MD5 from the function drop-down and enter a new password. Save the changes.